So here's the apartment that I'm staying in Patuba, and it's very rustic, old, but quite sweet. But the noise is terrible from the traffic outside. It is really loud with lorries all the time. Could do with a bigger mirror. But otherwise it's okay, and yeah, different from the other ones which have been more modern. And outside we've got neighbours next door. There we go, toot toot toot, listen to the lorries. Can't even hear myself think, the road's right there. So there we go, in Patuba.